The first part of the PAC inquiry today was to look into the history of the procurement processes in the country and how Borneo was awarded the contract. Representing the Health Department was Health Secretary Pasco Kase. He was bombarded with questions from members of the PAC on issues of medicine shortages in the country and what procurement processes were in place when he took office. According to Secretary Kase, provincial health officers were responsible for the procurement and supply of medical drugs in the country. However, medicines do not reach rural areas on time. He said that is why they have engaged the private sector to deliver medical supplies. According to the PAC chairman, the Australian government has been supporting the health department in supplying drugs in the country through AUSAID. He said through this arrangement, the International Dispensary Association has been delivering medical supplies at a cheaper cost. However, the question was why the contract was given to Borneo at an inflated cost, and the medicine shortages in the country are still ongoing.
We are looking at history so we can understand the reason why Australia paid $38 million, used its own procurement system, engaged an international reputable company to distribute the drugs, which we then in 2013 thereabouts decided to do away with. We did away with the $38 million grant, we did away with their procurement system, and then we engaged our own procurement system.
Secretary Kase claimed Borneo was awarded the contract through a tender process following strict criteria.
Cheap or expensive is only one criteria. We got another criteria too that are already in your folders, similar folders like this. The function, who are they made up of. So one important requirement, registration under PNG laws.
However, he was advised by the committee to provide these criteria and all those involved in the selection process in the second hearing tomorrow.
We will also be discussing with you the criteria of the tender evaluation committee's considerations to tenders that come before recommendations are made through you to CSTB and I believe onto the National Executive Council for that matter.
The second part of the inquiry will commence at 10 a.m. tomorrow with more evidence to be presented before the committee. Rayon Lakingu National, MTV News.